How to make a GIF from a video. Hello everyone. Have you ever wanted to make a GIF from a video? If the answer is stay until the end of the video and find out how. To achieve this, we will go to the well-known Giphy site. We will have to log in, or if we don't have an account, create one. I already have an account, so I'll just sign up. When you have logged in, find the Create button on the New page and click on it. In the next window, you can choose whether you want to make a GIF or a sticker. We can also do it by selecting a file or entering a URL address. We will select a file from our computer, so we will enable the Choose File option. Select the video and click the Open button. After that, a new window will appear in which we can choose which part of the video and in what length it will be inserted into the GIF. You can choose up to 30 seconds as the longest. When you've done that, click the Continue to Create button. After that, wait for your video to be processed and transferred to GIF format. When that process is finished, you can additionally edit your GIF by adding text, stickers, or cropping it. When you're done with that, you can simply download the GIF to your computer or continue uploading it to Giphy. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.